Hey guys, what's happening? How to connect iPhone to PC. Grab a lightning to USB or USB-C. Okay, type USB-C to PC. Right, simple as that. So you need something like this. Okay, the one that came with your iPhone is best. Connect one end to your iPhone, the other one to your PC's USB port, and your iPhone should light up and show a trust this computer pop up the first time you connect, right? Tap trust and enter your passcode. At this point, the PC recognizes your iPhone, but what you can do depends on what software you're using. Okay, all you need to do now is if you after plugging in, you can open File Explorer on Windows. In the left sidebar, you will see your iPhone under this PC. Usually shows up as Apple iPhone. Open it, go to internal storage or DCI, and then you're gonna find DCIM folder. Your photos and videos will be live there. Drag and drop them to your PC. This only works for camera roll photos and videos. You won't see app files or music there. Okay. If you are using iTunes or Finder, download iTunes from your Microsoft Store. Don't use random sites. Open iTunes and plug in your iPhone. Click the little iPhone icon at the top left. From there, you can back up your device locally on your PC or to iCloud. Sync music, movies, and playlists. Restore and update your iPhone if needed. Right? Just a little tip: always choose encrypted backup if you want your passwords, health data, and messages included. Wireless connections: if you don't have a USB-C and you don't use iTunes, you don't want to use iTunes or Finder, or maybe it didn't work, you can connect via Wi-Fi after the first setup. In iTunes, when your iPhone is connected, check sync with this iPhone over Wi-Fi. As long as both PC and iPhone are on the same Wi-Fi, your iPhone will show up in iTunes without plugging in. You can use third-party tools for more control. Sometimes you want more than Apple lets you do, like browsing app files, transferring specific documents, or moving music without iTunes. You have popular tools like iMazing, right, or AnyTrans or CopyTrans. They make the process easier, especially if you're removing lots of stuff. Okay, you may expect a couple of problems, or you may have to troubleshoot some issues there if PC doesn't detect iPhone. Okay, unplug and unplug and replug. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked. Maybe there is a driver's issue, right? Reinstall iTunes. It comes with Apple mobile or mobile device driver. Try different port or cable. Cheap cables may only charge, not transfer data. Update Windows and iOS. Sometimes fixes connection bugs. So, bottom line, for quick photo and video transfer, try File Explorer. For full backup and sync, use iTunes. For pro level control, third-party apps like iMazing. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.